In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add national holidays to your Google Calendar. This is a handy feature whether you like to keep track of upcoming holidays or just want to plan ahead with your calendar in order to avoid surprise days off or closures. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar, and you can do this by opening up your favorite web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to see all your calendars and events. Once you're logged in, you'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen you have various options, including a section titled Other Calendars. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. Now, over in the Other Calendars section, you'll see a plus button. This button is crucial for adding new calendars to your existing setup. You'll want to click on this plus button, which will conveniently drop down some options for you. Here, you'll see an option labeled Browse Calendars of Interest. Go ahead and click on that because this is your gateway to adding a whole host of useful calendars, especially those covering national holidays. Upon clicking Browse Calendars of Interest, you will be presented with a variety of choices, including sports schedules, lunar phases, and of course, holiday calendars. At this point, you're probably excited to see how easy it is to customize your calendar with relevant events. Scroll through the list until you find the national holidays you're interested in. These could range from holidays specific to your own country to international ones if you're someone who likes to keep tabs on global festivities. Once you find the holiday calendars that suit your needs, all you need to do is tick the box next to them. This simple action subscribes you to the calendar and is incredibly useful for letting you automatically see these holidays on your own calendar view. Now, you've added the national holidays you want, but you'll likely want to get back to your main calendar view to see them all in context. To do this, look for the back arrow located on the upper left side of your screen. Clicking this arrow will take you back to your main calendar, where you'll notice the holidays have magically appeared among your existing events. And there you have it. You've successfully added national holidays to your Google Calendar. This feature can make planning vacations, celebrations, or even simple family get-togethers much easier. It's just one way to keep your schedule organized and ensure you never miss an important day. Thanks for joining me today, and happy planning.